Welcome to Vorex. In this how-to video, you'll learn from the CRM module. As you can see, it's notated by the red underline. How to create accounts directly from your left navigation. First, let's start with the CRM dashboard. As you'll notice that you have your CRM pipeline. And remember that your pipeline value and your total value are your results based on your login. Right now, we're logged in as the Vorex admin, so you're going to see all the pipeline values. Also over here you have opportunity amount value by lead source, where you can filter by month, quarter, and year. You also have your color code, which lets you know blue is for campaign and so forth. As you click, you can also see your values, your amounts. Over here you have your opportunity pipeline value, or you can filter by month, quarter, and year as well. You can also see your figures for the month of March here, and so forth. As you look over to your right, you'll see opportunities converted to projects by month, quarter, and year as well. As you scroll further down, you'll see opportunity performance. This lets you know the staff's performance, their probability, the won opportunities, lost, and open opportunities. As you look over further to your right, you'll see news, my to-do list, and my notes. You can learn more about these under your admin, my company. So now we're going to go over and click accounts. As you can see, in accounts you have your search field where you could filter by client name, account type, or account manager, and your search filter results will be located here in the records found. So we're going to filter for income tax now, the account that we just created, and as you can see, it comes up in our search. So we're going to click it, and if you look at the bottom, we have some additional tabs. We have location, account contacts, assign resources, activity, notes, and custom fields and attachments. As you can see, we've added a new location, and as you can see, this location is in Houston for income tax now. We could leave this status active or inactive. We can also add an address here. So once we save, you'll notice that you'll get a new button here called Convert to Main. So you can convert to main by clicking this button, and it'll just change this Houston location to the main location. We can also add contacts by selecting Add, clicking Add, entering the first name, last name. We can select from our main location, or we can select that this person is at the Houston location. We can give him a job title. We can add phone types for him, whether it be mobile, office, or personal. We can do that here. We can also add an email address, whether it be personal or work email. Campbell@incometaxnow.com. We can leave his status to active or inactive. We can make him the point of contact for Income Tax Now in Houston. We can also give him access to the client portal here by selecting yes and giving him a username. And we can also give him a security role, letting him only see certain modules within this portal, so we can give him external user or manager access. So from here we can save, and if you notice that once we saved, we now have a reset password. So if Jeffrey happens to forget his password for this client portal, we can reset it here. We can also filter by location. If we had more contacts here, we can filter by which location, and it'll bring up all of those contacts at that location. We can assign resources to this account by selecting those resources here. Here we can add an activity by selecting Add and entering the activity here. And to find out more on activities, please visit our video in CRM activities. We can add additional internal notes by clicking Add and just simply entering in a note and saving. You also have some custom fields here that was created in the admin. Please visit our video on admin, my company, custom fields. You can also add attachments here, anything pertaining to this account that you would like to add as an attachment here. So now we can save here. And as you can see, there was a success. The operation is completed, and that's how you create additional fields for an account. Thank you for using Vorex.